Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this banana chocolate chip cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your room temperature butter followed by the light brown sugar, then beat these together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and add in the egg and mix in until it's fully incorporated. This will change the consistency of the cake batter, but don't worry, this is completely normal and what you were looking for. You can then, once the egg has been fully incorporated, give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then go ahead and add in the banana and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. The riper the banana, the better the cake will taste, so I would recommend leaving them as long as you can. Once it's fully incorporated, you'll notice that the mixture has become very liquid. This is completely normal, so don't worry. Then give the bowl another good scraping down, and again this is just to incorporate any bits of banana that may not have been fully worked into the mixture, so don't forget to scrape the top and the bottom of the bowl. Then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, so just add in your flour, raisin agent and your chocolate chips. Then mix everything together on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high speed, and mix until everything is fully combined and you have a clear cake batter so you can't see a trace of any single ingredient. It's okay if you have a few bits around the top, as we'll give the bowl one final scraping down, and again this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in the oil and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. It doesn't take very long, but just be careful not to over mix. Then transfer the cake batter into your lined 6-inch cake tin, which has just been lined with some parchment paper around on the base. Then just jiggle it around a little bit to get it more level. And then to finish it off before it goes in the oven, place on a banana that has been cut in half. You only need a small banana, so just place it on top. And then brush it over with a mixture of melted butter and some lemon juice. This will stop it from burning and caramelizing while in the oven. So here is what the cake looked like once it's fully baked and cooled. So for me this was the following day. You can then cut it up into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with 8, but feel free to go for more or less. It looks very dense, but it's actually not as dense as it looks, which is great because sometimes banana cake can be a bit heavy, but this one is not, and with the chocolate it just helps alleviate that, and elevate the banana flavour, and who doesn't want banana and chocolate? That's just such a winning combination. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.